Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a very famous Neville Goddard idea. You cannot serve two masters. So I will be delving deeper into what that means. But before I do, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things self-development. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. As Neville Goddard states, you cannot serve two masters or opposing states of consciousness. This is coming straight from the horse's mouth. Neville Goddard states, taking your attention from one state and placing it upon the other, you die to the one from which you have taken it, and you live and express the one with which you are united. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher back in the 1930s, 1940s, who basically made the law of assumption what it is today. His simple notion is your thoughts create your reality. Period. According to him, we're creating our reality through our thoughts and through our assumptions. One of the things that has stuck out to me the most was the saying, you cannot serve two masters. Anytime I use this train of thought to manifest what it is that I want, my manifestations have come to me instantaneously with a drop of a hat. What does you cannot serve two masters mean? It means that you can't possibly have two opposing opinions on something or an assumption and think that you are going to get what it is that you are trying to manifest. The beliefs cannot be conflicting. For example, I want a cow, so I have made the assumption that I have a cow, but some of my thoughts throughout the day is, I don't have a cow. It's not in my reality right now. Where is the cow? Where is the cow? Where is the cow? But I'm also trying to manifest and affirm and visualize and do all these techniques and trying to set it into my reality that I have a cow right now. We cannot serve two masters. Either I have the cow right now or I don't have the cow right now. And we have the cow right now, bitch. If you want financial abundance, but you believe that money is the root of all evil, that is serving two opposing masters. Your conflicting beliefs will cancel each other out and your manifestation isn't going to come to fruition. To apply the law of assumption correctly, and in order to get your manifestation, you can only have the assumption that I have this thing and that's it. There is no plan B. Your assumption has to be single-minded. You have to have blinders on like a horse on a racing track. You are not looking at anything else but that desire. There's nothing else in reality but what it is that I've set out to get, and I'm not setting out to get it because I already have it. You need to act as if you have that thing already. You have to feel the emotions as if you have that thing already, and let go of any limiting beliefs or any doubts that you might have throughout the day. But at the same time, try not to fight them. If someone comes up to me on the street and says, you are morbidly obese, I'm gonna laugh in their face and say, I'm sorry, sir, you have the wrong person, because I'm clearly not morbidly obese. So that thought, that belief cannot penetrate me because I know what I am. Like, that's preposterous. That's the same way that you have to think about what it is that you are manifesting. So it's okay that I have a limiting belief that my SP isn't texting me, or I don't have this amount of money in my bank account. It literally does not matter, because that's ridiculous. Because I do have a text from that SP. I do have that amount of money in my bank account, period per. It's also really important to note that it's not about disassociating from your current reality. Enjoy your life right now, but know that the fundamental truth is that you have whatever it is that you are manifesting. I have lost 20 kilograms. I am earning $150,000 a month. I have this partner. I have this best friend. I am living in LA. I have the best wardrobe ever. I have the best self-concept known to man. I look forever 18. I am all of these things. Whenever I am doubting it throughout the day, whenever something happens in my 3D reality where it says, no, that's not true, I'm just gonna say, it's not true in the 3D, but it's true in the 4D, meaning that it's going to come into fruition. In fact, I already have it. So you can show me anything that you want in the reality right now, but that doesn't affect me. That does not penetrate me. I am not morbidly obese. I don't associate with that circumstance that is being shown to me in the 3D. You can show me all the livelong day that I'm broke. You can show me all the livelong day that I'm not getting any dates. But I'm not going to associate with that because I know the fundamental truth. Because it is whatever you say it is. The thing that made me stuck for a very long time is that I was really gung-ho strict about this. This shouldn't be something that you feel like you're forcing. It's just a calm knowing that I am earning this amount per month. I have this amount of subscribers. This is my living situation. These are my experiences. I have set that as a standard for myself, and I'm going to continue on with my day and follow my happiness. And if I do have negative thoughts that do pop up every single day because we're human, I'm gonna let them be there because I'm not resisting them, because what resists persists. So it doesn't matter what is happening in my 3D. I'm enjoying it right now, but I know the truth. And I know that it is here right now and it's going to come in the most perfect way. So I don't have to stress. Why am I stressing? Why am I stressing that I'm naked if I have a dress on? That makes no sense. You have to understand, you guys, that law of assumption is a very powerful tool. It's all very well and good to watch these YouTube videos and get super hyped up when you're in your room by yourself. But what happens when you go out into the real world and it's showing you stuff that you don't like? Recognize that the law of assumption is not a joke. It is a very powerful tool that can get you and will get you anything that you've ever wanted. But you need to remember that you cannot serve two masters. So we need to choose our opinions and our beliefs and what we think on a day-to-day basis wisely. Cultivate the idea that what you want is already yours and live your life as if you already have that thing. So I hope that this video gave you guidance. Don't forget to thumbs this video up because I know that you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.